Sir, you have. This is the upper house, and it is highly regarded. And every word spoken and every action we do here are well recorded, documented, and people watch it. And you had in the very initial stage, you have observed correctly that as per the routine protocol checked, the anti-sabotage team checked the seats just to wind up the proceedings and the house. During that procedure, the so-called the note was found. And the seat numbers were deciphered and the members also signed that day. You have mentioned it. But I don't understand why there should be objection that the chair should not take the name of the member. When? No, but then chairman has rightly pointed out the seat number and the member who occupies that particular seat number. What is wrong in that? Why there should be objection? And moreover, when the members have agitated, there is a reason. You can't just put the blame on the members who has a concern. Don't you think that while we are going towards the digital India, carrying a bundle of notes in the house is appropriate? Definitely this is not appropriate. We don't carry note bundles in the house. You don't need to pay that much of money if it was a genuine note. So that is why it is a serious matter, and I fully agree with the observation of the Honorable Chairman that there must be serious investigation, and the concern raised by the Honorable members are also very genuine.
I think, Honorable members, the step taken at my end was minimal. It does not cast that I have transgressed. It was my duty to bring to your notice.
You told it is under investigation. Without investigating, how can you say a particular man or particular seat? How can...
You are casting aspersion on the chair. I have said, honorable members, I have said it was recovered from a seat allotted to someone. Leader of the House. Why target me every time? Targeting the chairman is the least easy. Honorable Leader of the House.
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, ये जो घटना घटी है, ये घटना बहुत ही असाधारण घटना है और बहुत ही सीरियस नेचर की घटना है। यह घटना पक्ष और विपक्ष में विभाजित होने के लिए नहीं है, ये सदन की गरिमा पर एक चोट है और सदन के कर्तृत्व पर एक तरीके से प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह है। मुझे आप पर और आपकी रूलिंग पर पूरा भरोसा है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटेल में होगा और दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होगा। लेकिन प्रजातंत्र में कभी कुछ बातें अपने पक्ष में आती हैं, कुछ अपने विपक्ष में आती हैं। किसी पर आप तीव्रता दिखाओ और किसी मुद्दे को आप मिट्टी डालो, यह ठीक नहीं है। हमारे लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, मैं उनसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि वो कहेंगे कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो, अच्छे तरीके से हो, और सर मैं भी लॉयर हूं, आई एम ऑल्सो ए लॉयर। माननीय, आज 0 आवर की बड़ी चिंता हो रही है, बड़ी चिंता हो रही है सर। गुड सेंस शुड प्रिवेल ऑन द ऑपोजिशन ऑलवेज, हमेशा उनको सुबुद्धि आए और 0 आवर चले। लेकिन मैं लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन के वक्तव्य में कहीं इन्वेस्टिगेशन को प्रीएम्प्ट करने की कोशिश तो नहीं चल रही है, इसको भी ध्यान में रखने की जरूरत है। और इसलिए विथ हेल्दी माइंड एंड विथ हेल्दी स्पिरिट वी शुड टेक इट एंड द इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुड कंटिन्यू, और डिटेल आना चाहिए। साथ ही साथ इस घटना को कंडेम सभी लोगों को करना चाहिए, इधर के पक्ष को भी, उधर के पक्ष को भी।
धन्यवाद सर। एक yes, but before 1 second, but before leader of the opposition speaks,
Yes.
you have said I have named someone. Let me invite your attention that from this chair I am scrupulous that nobody is hurt. What I said was, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officer from seat number 20222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from state. I don't cast any aspersion on anyone.
Yes, देखिए,
It's a seat. I have to
You are-
indicate who allotted
see,
who.
I request you, sir, yourself told that it will be investigated, and after investigation only you can come to the conclusion. We never objected that you should not investigate. Have we objected? Why Mr. Nadda should say that I am trying to suppress that matter? We never. You suppress so many things, and you people do that. We don't do that. It is your quality. It is your quality.
Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Are you sure?
बड़ा गंभीर विषय है, क्योंकि आज तो वैड ऑफ करेंसी नोट मिले, कल पता नहीं उस तरफ क्या क्या और चीजें मिल सकती है।